क्या मस्त चकाचक वाइट दिख रहा. या सो शुरू करें. पहले तू, फिर तू जैसे
भाई
करेगा.
मेरे को मेरा आवाज आ रहा है यार, अब मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है खुद को.
हाँ. लड्स शुरू कर. एंड डू आई हैव टू कॉल यू लड्डू और आई हैव टू कॉल यू संकेत?
जो भी.
आई कॉल हिम
I'm
लड्डू.
okay.
कॉल हिम लड्डू ओनली
हाँ देख whatever
बिकॉज
comfortable.
संकेत इज नॉट कंफर्टेबल, राइट?
तो क्या बोलेगी?
लड्डू.
ले लवड़िया. तेरी मैं आएगी जो तेरे देखती वाले कल. ठीक है, अपने को ये भी करना पड़ा अभी तो. वो
We're
बहुत
just kind of testing.
हाँ,
अगर
क्योंकि
अच्छा शॉट आ गया
because-
तो we can do it.
बिकॉज देख अभी क्या ये इसकी भी पिकिंग चेक करनी पड़ती है, ठीक है.
हाँ.
और अपने को अपना अपना ऑडियो कितना रखना है,
हम्म.
क्योंकि योर माइक शुडंट इंटरफियर इन माई माइक एंड माई माइक शुडंट इंटरफियर इन योर माइक, ठीक है.
हम्म.
तो वो चीज़ है.
ओके तो शुरू कर.
बोल.
हेलो.
हाँ आ रही है, पिकिंग आ रही है.
हम्म.
हाँ तो क्या.
Why are we doing this? The bigger question.
And the bigger question is not why are we doing this. The bigger question is that why now in probably midlife crisis that we are मतलब not midlife, quarter life, but then
Yeah. I think we're gonna live till 50 only, so we'll consider this midlife only.
मतलब the amount of alcohol that we consume, जितनी दारू,
True.
तो
Yeah.
probably dead. What is the aim for this podcast? I would like to say the aim of the podcast will be and should always be personal growth.
Definitely.
मतलब क्योंकि देख, I believe that the manifestation power that we have is zero.
True.
ठीक है. And this podcast will be a जरिया for us to hold ourselves accountable, क्योंकि अब तो इंटरनेट पे जा रहा है, ठीक है. पहला एपिसोड इंटरनेट पे जा रहा है और अपन अपने ड्रीम्स वगैरह जो है वो शेयर कर देंगे यहाँ पे, ठीक है.
But now the
तो-
world would be watching us.
हाँ तो नाउ द वर्ल्ड विल बी टेलिंग अस कि भड़वो नहीं हुआ, साल का दूसरा एंड आ चुका है, नहीं हो रहा तुमसे.
ये करने में तो जनवरी
मतलब वो भी है ना
15 लगा दिया हमने.
कि ये जो बात अपन 2025 में कर रहे हैं, राइट,
या
कि we'll do this, we'll do that, we'll do everything that we are destined for and we'll win the world. ये 2024 की स्टार्टिंग में भी किया तो होगा.
नहीं मैंने नहीं किया था.
ये-
आई डिड नॉट. आई वाज लाइक
हाँ.
आई वाज हैविंग, मुझे 2024 की स्टार्टिंग में ही पता था नहीं हो रहा है इस साल कुछ. सो
लवडे तर लागले आहे माझे, काऊन खोटं बोलू.
तो मैंने बोला कि ये चीज हम 2025 के लिए टू बी कंटिन्यूड करते
आई
हैं.
बिलीव अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल दैट जो बोलते हैं ना कि ये साल मेरा है, तो शायद ये वही है कि मतलब हम अभी बोल रहे हैं कि ये साल हमारा, ये साल हमारा है. एंड द वे वी आर पुटिंग इट आउट देयर ऑन द इंटरनेट, राइट, इज जस्ट अ वे टू कंफर्म दैट वी विल डू इट. और ठीक है, चलो सपने नहीं होते पूरे बहुत सारे,
ये
मगर
साल नहीं तो अगले साल.
देखा.
बट होगा जरूर.
डेडली ऑप्टिमिज्म.
But होगा जरूर.
व्हाई नॉट. बट मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि देख,
Yeah.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कि अच्छी बात है, करना चाहिए बहुत लोगों ने, विजन बोर्ड वगैरह बनाना चाहिए,
बनाना चाहिए.
क्योंकि ये भी करके देख लेते हैं. बट देन व्हेन वी आर पुटिंग इट आउट देयर, राइट, वी want people also to hold us accountable for what we haven't done and what we are doing. And the aim of it is not doing something for the heck of it. It's chal theek hai, we have this dream, right, we have certain dreams for ourselves, whether opening a business is one of those things, whether a fitness goal is one of those things or something like that, or whether getting back to sports or whatever that we used to be or we are not, right, ठीक है. तो जो भी ये बातें हैं, तो ये इट्स ऑल अबाउट कि whether you want to do it badly enough or not. And I believe that चल ठीक है, in the end of the year I don't think all of the dreams that we are going for will be accomplished, but then at least we'll be in the middle of somewhere.
Yeah, we'll not start from scratch.
हाँ, तो maybe if we hold ourselves accountable and we put it out on the internet, probably we'll be halfway there in the end of the year, and probably in the next 2-3 years we will make it. So
You know, it's
bringing
always,
all-
yeah.
अच्छा, continue.
Yeah, I'm saying it's always about starting, you know, beginning from somewhere, because all these years we've just been procrastinating a lot of things and we've not been doing it, because you remember we planned this in the year 2022. उसके बाद हमने पता नहीं कहा पूड़ी में डाल के उसको फेंक दिया था, and now we are back at it, and this, like, we started thinking of it in 2024 December.
Agreed.
But we actually did it like by Jan 12th. We are kind of talking to each other. We have this stuff. We've actually made the vision board. It's not just a vision in our mind. So we've begun somewhere. And what I feel is, for me, the growth would be this ki even if I've completed 20% of it, right?
Agreed.
It's fine, because I've just started, right? I've begun somewhere. And if I've begun somewhere, there are higher chances that I'll go forward, because I do not like looking back. So
ओहो,
yeah,
well said, माशाल्लाह, अब बात बोल दी है. I don't like looking back.
yeah. That's the goal.
अच्छा, ठीक है. I'll ask you something which because nobody is seeing us.
Yeah,
ठीक है?
definitely.
What do you want this podcast to be about? Obviously, there's gonna be personal growth and stuff, but why?
I personally feel, see, there are a lot of podcasters out there, okay, and people watch podcasts because they could relate to it, right? So there's always a section for highly optimistic people, and there's always a section for highly pessimistic people, and we are nowhere.
We are neither.
We are neither.
We are dead.
And
Emotionally
is-
also.
and this is a podcast. This podcast is particularly for those kind of people जो हमारी तरह है, जो बोलते हैं हमें कंसिस्टेंट रहना है.
मगर कर तो नहीं पाते भैया आप. भैया
हमें कंसिस्टेंट रहना है, हमें ये करना है, हमें वो करना है, पर अगले दिन से. आज का दिन तो वैसे ही
मंडे से तो
खत्म
मैं
हो गया.
जिम जा रहा हूँ. हाँ, मंडे से मैं जिम जा रहा हूँ. तू देख तू.
Yeah, so it's just for those people who could relate to us on this part कि ठीक है भाई, हम थोड़ा बहुत 1 step at a time, 0.5 step at a time लेने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो 0.25 भी ले लोगे तो चलेगा. And maybe those people could relate to us. So that's my idea of it. And definitely for me, it's not just about personal growth, it's also about shared experiences, and I would love to know from our audience as well. And the
Apparently
audience,
there is none, huh? Expectations कि लोग अपना बहुमूल्य टाइम से अपने हिस्से का थोड़ा वक्त निकाल के और हमें देख रहे होंगे.
at least मतलब
Currently it's not happening.
But
Maybe
maybe
भगवान देखे तो अच्छा.
manifestation.
Bringing
But I
all-
believe in manifestation. I believe in manifestation thoroughly, because this was also a manifestation. It's happening, right? So I do believe in manifestation a lot.
My manifestation should also come true. I'm also waiting. Sakad.
No, but with that, you know, it's called in Marathi we say tivra ichha. Okay, so you should have that tivra ichha in you, and you'll get it. And see, that's how it happens, right? You actually have to believe in something for that to happen first, and that's what we are doing right now. And I'm giving you all my positivity, and hopefully,
I don't need positivity currently.
yeah.
It's just something that I would say, let's go with the flow. Let's
Yeah.
not- let's
No,
not
but
think-
be a little consistent with the flow as well.
Yeah,
that's more
That's
important, because
क्योंकि वो करना जरूरी है.
वो
क्योंकि
करना
ऐसा-
ज्यादा जरूरी है.
ऐसा तो नहीं है कि कंटेंट पहली बार कर रहे हैं. छोड़ चुके हैं हम
Exactly.
वो गलियां बहुत बार उसके दरवाजे पे ऐसे खटखटा देते हैं, भैया मैं हूँ, भैया मैं हूँ.
Yeah, but we also have to focus on that part that one thing that we really have to decide that we cannot leave it in between, okay? We at least have to continue it for a year.
Honestly.
Yeah, I think till 2025, New Year, we have to do it. Oh, it's 2020.
I mean, a lot of people
Fuck, it's 2025 already. Shit. Okay,
The
2026,
amount of
guys.
fuck-ups. Basically, we should call this podcast fuck ups.
Yeah, we should call it fuck ups because
Podcast.
most of the time we talk to each other and we get to know such things about each other and we are like, yeah, it's basically a fuck up. Nothing else.
ठीक है, agreed.
Agreed. Okay, so why you and me we are making this podcast? Why?
Because probably we realized something on a trip.
Mumbai trip.
Mumbai
Please specify the
Yes,
place.
not joint trips, just a vacation trip.
Yeah,
That
vacation
we
trip.
are quite similar. Like
Yeah.
as people, we are quite similar. We like normal things in life with little highs, and the way I've realized it is that convincing नहीं लगती अपने को.
Yeah. Not at all.
We are आलसी and we are very lazy people with some energy spurs in between where we feel like करना तो है ये मिस आउट नहीं होना चाहिए because फोमो भी तो होगा but then कर लेते हैं पर.
Yeah, so I just want to talk about this one particular thing that happened with us in our Mumbai trip. So we were kind of we did not want to go back to Marine Drive in the afternoon because we were like 2 दिन से वही कर रहे हैं. We've been to Marine Drive and our driver insisted us कि please go and sit there for 5 minutes at least. And we
Cab
just
driver,
don't
we
need
are not
anything.
Amira, cab driver.
Yeah.
She specified, I don't remember.
Yeah,
But cab driver, we are not Amir like that.
not at all. So the cab driver told us कि जाइए जाकर बैठिए 5 मिनट के लिए, थोड़ा आप आ जाइएगा 5 मिनट में वापस. And the next thing we know was we were there for like an hour and we were still laughing and talking to each other. Least fucks given about Marine Drive. बस हवा अच्छी आ रही थी तो मजे आ जा रहे थे and that is how
और
we are.
बैठने को जगह थी वहाँ पे.
Yes. And at the same incident, like, you know, थोड़ा सा उसमें changes, we went to Colaba Causeway and we were like, बहुत दूर है भाई, इतना कौन चल के जाएगा. We just looked at each other. Nowadays, we just look at each other, we understand, okay, यहाँ नहीं जाना है, यहाँ ये कर लेना है. So,
But I've also realized this one thing where a lot of people have this stigma कि a guy and a girl cannot be friends. मतलब they have alternative motive. Boys generally
yes.
will have alternative motives, whether you know what,
Yeah.
right? But that is something that doesn't concern us because I consider you bro, you consider
Yeah.
me a sis,
Yeah.
which is very weird.
Very weird. And it's weird at a level where, you know, so many people ask me that who's this guy and I'm like, bro, he's my bro. And with us it's mostly like we are the male and female versions of, not entirely, but male and female versions of each other in
Probably, right.
probably. And that's how we got connected, and that's the reason we're making this podcast here, because I mean we were just out of nowhere randomly.
भूख भी तो है फेमस होने की.
हाँ,
मैं सड़क से जाऊँ और किसी ने मुझे ए पलट ऐसा नहीं बोला तो क्या फायदा.
Yeah, I mean, it's not about getting famous though.
No,
That's not the aim. But हाँ, थोड़ा बहुत पैसा is something I would want to
थोड़ा
earn.
रास्ते में, ये इसको तो कहीं देखा है चप्पल. But then yes, I agree totally because
But we're very serious about this.
Yeah, we should be.
We'll see that at the end of 2025 though. But we are serious about it. So
time taken बनाना
our
पड़ेगा इसका.
our vision board is behind the back and you can see. And
Do you want to explain it to the audience? Just to
yeah,
make
definitely.
sure that everybody knows that whatever your dream is. And,
Yeah, and I want so many dreamers to just help me in achieving my dream and make their dream come true as well, right? So yeah.
So let's start with yours, no? Then
Yeah, definitely. So I'll go first with this one because this has God in it. And
मेरे को मेरा वाला दे देता क्या? दोनों please.
so basically, I'm a big.
I'll tell you why we are doing this, because we met for making vision boards, and just because we wanted to manifest something in our life and we wanted to make it. So this is the idea just came out of nowhere where we wanted to show it to the audience. So we'll do it. Chal, go for it.
Yeah. So as he knows that I'm very spiritual and I'm very religious, so I would like to start it with God because I particularly and personally believe that whatever happens in your life is for a reason. And I'm a big bhakt of Shiva, as you guys can see. And see, I mean, if there's always a setback in your life, I just go back to God and I understand that okay, even if there is a setback in my life, God's there to help me out, and God's always there to help me in navigating through it. Okay, so this is about God. This is next to God because consistency is something which I lack. I have been the most inconsistent person on planet Earth. If I get a rank for it, I should be topping it because I'm the most inconsistent person, and my mood swings are on next level. So I do understand one thing, that if at all I maintain consistency, even if for a month, I know I can make wonders. So that is it. So the next part is bills paid, debt cleared, financially free. So of course, all of us want to be financially free, and definitely I would want food on my plate all the time. So yeah, for that you need to work, and that's why I always want to pay all my bills. Then this is again another part of spirituality where I've said I understand, I see, I talk, I love, I do, I feel, I am. So this is what I want to resonate in the year 2025. I also wanted to talk about my family. My family is happy, wealthy, and healthy. So of course I feel that way for my family. And this one here it's one of my favorite ones because it says I have amazing friends.
Let me read it later. I have amazing friends. They have big, wild dreams like me.
And that's very
Wildest.
true. Wildest dreams. Yeah. So yeah, and I have lots of healthy connections and friendships. Laddu being a part of it, and mind you, I want to make healthy connections and friendships in
Acha, वैसे,
2025.
by the way, we haven't introduced our names and मतलब not said our names.
We'll say that now. Let me explain the vision board.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. Okay, so this is another thing. So, because we are making a podcast and we're there out on YouTube, so this is something that I'm really manifesting for myself in the year 2025, where I would want to have a good social life. 111K followers is not I would want, but इसमें से 11,000 भी हो गए तो I'll be happy. And of course, I want to eat healthy.
Currently you're at?
1100.
That is a lot.
Yeah.
I am 300?
No, it all takes one viral reel to get you at 11K. So,
I had my viral reels, but I archived it.
why?
Corporate life.
Oh, corporate
A lot of
life.
people
Yeah.
see those things and then you regret.
Corporate life is something that we also need to handle with all of this. But yeah.
We'll do it on an episode probably next or something else. But
Yeah,
see.
we'll do that. Yeah. So, of course, eating healthy, as you can see, both of us are not at all healthy. So, yeah, that's there. And yeah, I don't chase, I attract. What's meant for me will simply find me. It's very true in my case because, trust me, whenever I chase the wrong people. So, this time I'm not trying to chase, I'm trying to attract. And please, jerks, don't get attracted to me.
Hello.
Yeah, clear skin, shiny hair, fit body, healthy mind, of course, another thing. And yeah, this is something that focus, passion, discipline, consistency, another thing that I lack in. And last but the most important one is the one that is definitely
2
gonna
minute,
happen.
I'll fix my setup, please.
Okay, we'll wait for him.
Because
Okay, चला गया.
हाँ तो what do you expect?
Nana,
right?
now we are talking again to each other like this. Tell us like what else do we need? Like
कैमरा लगाया क्या? हमें तो कोई फर्क
फर्क ही
नहीं
नहीं
पड़ता.
पड़ता. So the last one. Okay, so
Ooh.
the most kind of I would say the most important one, not because of this part.
Why not?
Uh,
It should be.
I mean,
I believe that.
I think this part could happen in 2-3 years also. It's very important.
अच्छा,
So
मतलब we are talking about this year.
yeah.
Okay.
So new home, new beginnings. So it's been a long time dream for me that I wanted to build my own home, and hopefully this year you might be able to see us on an episode where I tell you guys that hey guys, my home is well made and I could give you a sneak peek to it. So like fingers crossed. I hope that happens soon. So that's it. The other part is I really want to go on an international trip this year. So this is all about it. And yeah, of course, who does not want to get rich? So of course, I'm thinking of that as well. And this is the cute part because I do not want to leave my love life out of it. So I'm manifesting that I really hope the love of my life enters in my life this year. I mean, I'm already kind of there, but he also needs to reciprocate. So if he does, it's good, or else we'll see. But whatever it is, it could happen
भगवान
in
ने
this
जो
year.
लिखा है अगर वो ना हो.
That's also another part about us, that we are hopelessly romantic people and hopelessly pathetic people.
Also
because
just hopeless people in general.
yeah, because we don't really understand that there's a thing called self love. It's we always we do love ourselves, not like that, but when it comes to the love life, right, हमें रेड जोन में ही जाना है, both of us. Like we just love being sad. We love it. And now there's a
don't think that is
romanticism
sad.
involved in being sad also. Like we just talk about being sad and we kind of trip on being sad. So
Well,
that is
a
how
lot
it
of
is.
shire also say this thing, like when you spend a lot of time with your sorrows, you wind up falling in love with them too,
Yeah, that's very true.
which is not right.
I mean, see, if I have to talk about myself, I would say I'm entirely sad. But क्या प्रॉब्लम है if he reciprocates, है ना? मतलब थोड़ा
मतलब
खुशी मिल जाएगी लाइफ में, तो क्या
क्यों
ही
नहीं, क्यों
प्रॉब्लम
नहीं?
है?
थोड़ा
मतलब
तो प्यार हमें भी चाहिए भैया.
बस
चल I'll do it.
yeah, his turn because his are
एक तो first of all, let me show you the difference between a guy and a girl. ठीक है? When we make vision boards, we are like ये लगा दे, ये लगा दे, ये लगा दे, मेरा खत्म. And when a girl makes it, her looks so aesthetic and mine looks like I have stuck photos there. Which is,
it has to be aesthetically pretty for girls.
मतलब
I mean, if
cut
I-
the photos off.
That's what you'll have to
Or,
do.
write something in between. Or
No, you just need to paint them.
I'll
And
paint it and I'll write stuff, whatever that I want to write about, probably my plans. That is.
yeah.
ठीक है. Let me explain. First of all, the first photo is all about positive mindset and want to have that mama mentality. I'm in love with Kobe Bryant, great player. Also the mentality that Michael Jordan had, really big fan of him. Also he has like multiple championship won, so Chicago Bulls go. There is Zakir Khan and Kevin Hart with their audience. I would wanna pursue maybe stand up someday.
You're good at it.
Not in the next year probably, because I'm very scared. A lot of people might not end up liking me, but then my jokes are very specific to friends. अगर मैं दुनिया के साथ दोस्ती कर पाऊँ एक दिन
For
जाके.
that you need to get social.
हाँ, तो वही है. The point of it is that Uh, want to do it someday, but it will take time. It will take
Yeah,
time,
it-
definitely. But want to have that mentality of really people that have achieved something in their life, right? So want to do that. Uh, there is Cristiano Ronaldo because Cristiano Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
हाँ. Fuck ups, हाँ? ठीक है.
We should call it fuck ups. We should call our podcast fuck ups.
We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah. If that's not
also-
already taken by someone.
हाँ.
In our lives, people are taken by some people. Damn.
Lives, तो yes, why not? हाँ,
तो podcast पे ही fuck ups कर लेते हैं.
So Cristiano Ronaldo, because played for my favorite club, Manchester United.
Yeah.
And although we are losing every bit of championship and every bit of, let's say, just matches in general, want them to win someday. But then it's not about the team, it's about the player, the mentality that player had, and the vision that Sir Alex Ferguson had for him. Great job, well done, good enough. Then there is Shah Rukh Khan. Who doesn't know Shah Rukh Khan? Who doesn't know
Of
Shah Rukh Khan? Bhai?
course. Chand Tare Tod Love. Who doesn't get inspired
Damn
by
that guy.
SRK, man?
That charm, the matlab, if
Now
you
we'll
see
talk
him,
about Shah Rukh Khan for another hour. That's what we do.
matlab hopeless romantics, why not?
Why not?
प्यार करना जिसने सिखा दिया उसके बारे में 2 निबंध लिख दूं.
But his story in reality is also very inspiring, no, Baba? Like, uska real love story is
मतलब
so inspiring.
we'll have to take a entire episode out for Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah, definitely that's... Oh, we have another idea now. Good,
मतलब
great.
It's all about bouncing ideas क्योंकि कौन ही देख रहा है भाई.
Exactly.
So yes, second is about sports. I was into sports when I was a child. इतना खेला.
लात से टेबल को तोड़ना स्पोर्ट्स नहीं कहा जाता है, but ठीक है.
That was an incident which we'll share for the next episode. Why we had that table and why it's broken from every end. It's a glass table if you cannot make out, but then
And we'll also talk about parents in one of the
मतलब-
episodes.
why not? Our parents were deadly.
Were?
They are.
Yeah.
मतलब now they're mellowed down, right? So a
नहीं
little
नहीं, मेरे को तो अभी भी बीच बीच पे मिल जाते हैं ऐसे थोड़े बहुत
good.
excerpts.
So sports do so much for your life, so much for your mentality that we somewhat understate it a little because अगर तुम खेलो जिंदगी में तुम when you play right your mindset is so good when you win either also when you lose it's just about being there and having that grit to play. That is something that I want to bring back into my life because I was really good at badminton. I was a good enough goalkeeper. I used to have dives and shit. Matlab people from St. Joseph's represent. If they would remember, I was in St. Joseph's school, Rihan Nagar,
UP.
UP.
Okay.
Yes. So,
Let's see our podcast reaches to UP or not.
matlab,
हाँ मतलब
Josephite for life. I was very good at cricket. So
even I love cricket.
So that is something, all those 3 sports, badminton, football and cricket, I want to get back to. Probably happening soon. Also, a huge fan of UFC. Huge fan of combat sport
Not
in
aware
general.
of it, but yeah.
It's a... So MMA, right? Mixed martial arts. It's a
Ah, okay.
sport where people fight.
Okay.
Want to get into that because
Oh.
although like
Conor McGregor? Okay.
matlab, obviously because Conor McGregor is a huge part of it, but not just mixed martial arts. It's about combat sport in general. I wanna learn at least. I don't want to fight.
Okay.
Don't want to fight. Probably amateur, but not on a pro level or something like that.
Yeah.
Just want to learn for bus safety and just for the heck of the sport. In rush and a lot of men like it. Not a lot of men who like fighting is cuckoo in the brains, but then not because of just want to learn, just want to
Yeah, I
learn
mean,
and
of
just
course.
want to be able to protect someone that I care about, and matlab not someone that I care about. There is no particular someone,
People that I care
people
about.
that I care about, and want to protect myself and probably look good while doing it. So
Like
uh,
full close shots happening, no?
full
Ekdam.
punches on the chin and
Ek-
getting people knocked out, and
And there's
yeah, that
blood
shit.
oozing out of his mouth and nose, and
Yes.
yeah. Angry young man.
Then this is over, and then there's the second one. Second one is something that I want to cover the first foot, just because it's something very
Yeah,
particular
yeah,
about work, and it's something that is just, I would say कि I have this feeling कि नजर लग जाती है.
yeah. I was about to say nazar na lage, nazar na
तो
lage.
वो
Yeah.
नजर लग जाती है का सीन है, वरना फिर I would have told each one of you what I want to do, what I want to do in my career and stuff. It's something related to my career and I want to do it. So
Once it's achieved, you'll know.
when once it's coming on board, I'll definitely tell everybody, because I'll have to tell everybody. ठीक है. Then
उसके बिना
there is-
काम कैसे चलेगा?
वो भी है. Then there is photos of travel, because I have realized with this person, she forced me to travel this year, and
Yeah.
I am 27.
And he's
Right
never
now?
seen sea in his
Now
life.
I have.
But now he has. But he was not at all amazed by looking at it. He was like, नदी और समुंदर में फर्क क्या होता है? It's like,
नहीं, नदी और समुद्र में फर्क क्या होता है नहीं है, but then it's like
मैंने नदियाँ देखी है.
I see all water bodies like water bodies. It's not something very.
You know, it's the deep blue
Majestic.
ocean that we're talking about.
Yeah. I know, but water bodies are water bodies because I know how to swim. So moving on, one, I won't say it a dream because that's gonna happen next year. I'll either buy a car or I'll buy a bike which I can go on rides with, because with traveling, I solo traveled to some.
Wardha, it
हाँ.
is a district just 50 kilometers away
It's
from
not
Nagpur.
a very scenic place. I don't know. मतलब people in Varda, don't be mad. I don't know. Okay.
I mean, the roads are scenic.
The roads are very scenic.
Yeah.
But then I didn't have like a destination to go. I just went to the city, saw a friend, met him, and came back.
That day he was kind of having that kind of day, you know.
Yeah, probably what do you call it, a rebel day,
Yeah.
which is not something. Well, a lot of
Bro,
people-
that's not rebellious. You know what who a rebel is and what rebellion actually
a lot of
is.
people will think कि इसमें क्या है.
I mean, but you know, once you have a good bike, it kind of gives you the thrill also. And you know, I also plan on getting a Himalayan for me, which I don't think my brother would let me go for it because he is mad about GT650 and he's just asking.
GT650 is a really nice bike, but for a beginner person, if you want to,
Mind you, my
if
brother.
you buy bike, right? If it's for your brother, he could definitely go for a
But
650.
he is a bitch. So, you know what he does?
मतलब on a public platform, if you say
It's
your
fine,
brother is a
He's my
bitch,
younger one, so that's not an issue. But I'll tell you about my brother. So,
it is an issue.
no, it is not an issue.
I
What
know.
he'll do, 2-3 थप्पड़ मारेगा, मैं गाली दे दूंगी बस, उससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं होगा, the issue is resolved. But you know, see, I am that kind, because I'm the elder one, I have this maternal feeling
I get
towards
that.
my brother. So, that day we
You
were
have
kind of
maternal instincts for everybody. Like, matlab, not maternal instincts for everybody, just
Yeah, kind of.
taking care of them, and why you are like this and why you are like that.
Yeah,
Annoying, but
Yeah.
then we manage.
But it's more for my brother. Like, if you can
Ah,
understand that
he's
about my
blood,
friend,
no.
yeah, he's blood. Oh my god. So whatever it is, so we were having this discussion about GT650 and Himalayan, and I was like, bro, let's go for a Himalayan. And we were actually planning to go for a Himalayan in next 2-3 months only.
Mhm.
So he was like, see, yeah, but I don't really like, Himalayan. I would want a GT 650. And I was telling him because of the weight constraints and all that it would be a heavier bike for me, right? And we both could use it. And he was like, he emotionally tells me, it's okay then, you go for a Himalayan, no? That's fine. Whenever I'll have to buy, whenever I
So,
will have money,
basically
I'll
he
take
cribbed
it.
a lot.
Yeah, he was cribbing and I'm like, ठीक है फिर तुझे लेना है तो ले ले, मतलब अब मैं क्या ही बोल सकता हूँ, तू ले 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 ले, तू हिमालयन ले ले, मैं GT 650 जब अभी गरीब के पास पैसा आएगा तो मैं ले लूँगा. आई वाज लाइक व्हाट द फक ब्रो. एंड it's always with you guys, all of you, like these guys tell me to do stuff which is very much doable by themselves. They can do it, they can manage it, they tell me to do it, I do it, and then I realize ki why the fuck did I do it, like it's always all the time. And I'm like, abhi bhi I'll tell you. So about these vision boards, I kind of live 15 kilometers away from this guy's place, and he asked me कि सुन ना वो बोर्ड ले ले. मैं बोला एंड आई वाज लाइक कि लड्डू यार बोर्ड मतलब मैं गाड़ी पे लेके आया हुआ 2 व्हीलर, सो 2 व्हीलर पे इतना लेके आना वुड बी अ हेडेक. एंड ही वाज लाइक, आई शोड हिम कि कितना बड़ा कार्डबोर्ड है, दो इट वाज काइंड मैनेजेबल.
It was manageable, very manageable.
No, not very manageable, kinda manageable, because of course to moped पे you have to keep it in front, and then of course you're driving also, तो दो चीज़ों पे एक साथ फोकस करना gets a little difficult. But इसके घर के पास में शॉप्स नहीं होगी क्या, हम ले सकते थे ना इसके घर के पास से, बट नहीं, मैं 15 किलोमीटर दूर से कार्डबोर्ड लेकर आई हूँ अपनी 2 व्हीलर पे. एंड देन वंस आई गेट इट आई एम फक्ड अप, आई एम लाइक मैंने क्यों लिया. एंड दे लाइक ठीक है ना, कोई बात नहीं. एंड वन लाइक अबाउट द टेबल ऑल्सो, आई विल टेल यू गाइज अबाउट द टेबल. सो हम पेंट कर रहे थे तो ऑफकोर्स द पेंट ड्रिप्ड आउट ऑन द टेबल. ही वॉज लाइक कि पोंछ दे. आई वाज लाइक हाँ ठीक है पोंछ देती, बिकॉज मेरी वजह से ही ड्रिप आउट हुआ था. एंड सटल तरीके से भी वो नीचे जो कचरा है वो भी उठा लेना. आई वाज लाइक नहीं ये तो मैं नहीं करने वाली. देन दे वर लाइक नहीं हमें लगता है, तो हमें पता है तू कर लेती है, तो एक चांस मार के देख लेते कि क्या पता
It's
कर
just
दे.
a hit and trial method, right? When you test something.
या
We tested it out, didn't work, we did it. Big deal.
माइंड यू दे डिड नॉट डिड इट दैट नाइसली though.
But it's clean.
No, not that clean. Look at the table. The table looks nice. Another bad trait of a Virgo. Just if in case there
I
are
am
any
a
Virgo.
Virgo bitch.
But he's a September Virgo. I don't understand why he is a Virgo. Like there are certain traits of his that match with a
I am
Virgo.
a lazy Virgo.
I think you're a September Virgo. So there's something about September Virgos which does not
you
match
know,
up with the
you
August
know,
Virgos.
You spoke it like it was a racist thing. You are a September Virgo. Dirty people.
No, but all hails to all the Virgos out there, because we get you guys. We understand what you're going
Apparently
through.
we do now. So
Yeah.
I would.
Okay, now let's introduce ourselves, because again we did the same
वो
thing,
भी है
guys.
कि मतलब अभी बहुत देर तक बातें तो कर ली है और अभी
Yeah.
तक नाम ही नहीं पता है.
Yeah, so this is
And
who
they
we
will
are.
probably think that my actual name is Laddu, which is not right. Get it over with, and now introduce yourself.
Yeah. So not the professional way, but yeah.
My name is Ankit Javed.
Okay, so guys, hey, Nidhi here, and I am born and brought up in Nagpur, and we are just here to make this shitty podcast out here. If you like it, like it. If you don't like it, who cares? I
are
mean,
still
we do
gonna
care.
upload.
We do care. Dear, मतलब अंदर में we care, but like थोड़ा सा होना पड़ता है ना hyper. So of course, we do care, and and we'll be doing a lot of things on this podcast other than fucking up and fucking up.
Also, pretty much
Fucking up. So we'll be doing a lot of other things on this podcast. We'll be sharing our ideas and views on certain topics, and again shitty topics and shitty ideas and views. But लेना है तो लो भाई, बिल्कुल. The most
लेना
welcome.
हो तो लो doesn't mean a lot of guys. I know what you're thinking.
Yeah.
That is not what we meant. Okay, लेना नहीं होता है.
I mean, if you want to take it Oh, that again sounds
If you wanna
wrong.
check it, check
Another
it.
fuck up, guys. So yeah, we just trying to have some fun out there, put some fun out there. We just want to have fun with each other, and we want to dive deeper into this thing called life.
Also, content creation in general.
Yeah, also content creation in general, and we particularly feel कि थोड़ा ना हम लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि we have it in us.
अरे बड़ी चीजों के लिए बनाऊं मैं.
Ha, we made for bigger things in life, and we have it in us. And why the fuck is my mother calling me? Because it's already 7 o'clock and we've done nothing till now. But yeah, so this is about me, and yeah, I love meeting new people. I love hanging out with people. I love drinking because of this guy, but that is just a phase. I really hope I get over it soon.
Apparently, I have stopped drinking, so good enough.
No, I'll make him drink because he cannot, like, he made me an addict and now he's like, I have stopped drinking. This is not gonna happen. But yeah, this is just a phase for me. I'll kind of stop drinking, not stop drinking, but curtail it a little so that it helps us out. And yeah, I mean, we are here for shared vision and goals, and trying to achieve them in 2025. रेंग के भी जाना पड़ा, पर रेंगेंगे जरूर, पर रुकेंगे नहीं. That's the plan.
वाह जज
Yep.
साहब.
Over to you, Laddu.
I would say, hi guys, I am Sankit Gawande, and I would like to include my dad's name, Kishore. क्योंकि Kishore Kumar.
Okay.
वाह.
Okay.
So my entire existence is about probably laziness. I am the quintessential funny guy. And when you say yourself funny, that doesn't make you funny. It's you'll know. Wait a bit and you'll know. I've got this latest chaska of traveling. I will travel in the next 2 months also. I want to work on myself and really want to do something great, and not just for me, for probably inspiring the world as well, and doing great things while having a blast of a life where I would really just be myself. If I could be that, I would really like you guys to be on the journey with us, whether we are fixing this or we are fixing the world. That doesn't matter. It's just two people talking absolute rubbish
Yeah.
and thinking that they could do something with their content creation life.
With their rubbish attitude.
With their rubbish attitude and absolute nonsense that they talk about, and they still love it.
And we also feel that you guys could also kinda love it, but we are very bad in that part. Like, प्यार व्यार नहीं बना है हम लोग के लिए.
प्यार तो नहीं, but then
ठीक है.
infatuation तो मुझसे करना.
No, not your शायरी again.
क्या बोल रहा है ये लड़का?
Not your शायरी again.
But I'm a good शायर.
Very good. We'll talk about that in one of
Drunk
the...
शायर. आदाब. I do शायरी when I'm drunk, so that is something that we'll figure out.
No, he does शायरी at 7 a.m. in the morning also. So
need to be heartbroken for it very much, which is
And-
apparently a lot.
guys, do
Done.
not follow him on Snapchat because ये तुम्हारा जो positivity हम थोड़ा सा लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं because of our
Full
YouTube.
drowning will happen, ना?
Yeah, full
रात
drowning.
को रात को बिना 2 पैग या फिर पैग के साथ भी I don't know कि शायर साहब निकल जाते हैं. और
Look
जब
at
शायर
how
साहब,
he's deepening his voice, huh?
और शायर
Bass.
साहब जब बोलते हैं तो लोग सुनते हैं
अच्छा.
और लोगों को सुनना पड़ता है.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is all about us.
I think we should wind up because
Yeah.
40 मिनट से बकबक कर रहे हैं.
And we can legit do this for another 40 hours only if we don't have to sleep. And
मतलब
so pathetic, guys.
we could. Whatever
Okay,
works, guys.
guys.
Whatever works. Thank you for watching. And if you are still here, why are you guys here?
Maybe they're here for me. You'll get to see that combination of hyper optimistic, self sabotaging
क्या ही है, सब सब
लो सेल्फ एस्टीम काइंड ऑफ
सब
पीपल.
मसाले एक साथ डाल दो और गोभी डाल दो, मटन डाल दो, चिकन डाल दो, कुछ ना कुछ तो बन जाएगा भैया. भांग
बस,
भोसला
बस.
ही सही, मगर कुछ ना कुछ तो बन जाएगा.
Yeah, but I think we need to wrap this up because my
ओके
mom's
ओके
calling me.
कंप्लीटली.
हेलो. हाँ बोल. कोण आलं? तर येत आहे ना. किती कधीचे आले तुम्ही? किती वेळाचे आले? अच्छा ठीक आहे, येत आहे अर्ध्या तासात.